Hello guys, today we are standing in front of the Kia Carnival limousine version. Now this is the topmost variant, it gets three variants. You will have to wait till the end of the video to get to see all the variants, and you will get a test drive video too in this one. So stay with us up till the end of this video, and now let's get started with this one. So now this car gets a tiger nose grille as the signature of Kia. It gets projected dual beam LED lights, including the ice cube shaped fog lamps with front parking sensors. This car is really very luxurious from inside and outside. As you can see, this car is a direct competes directly with the Toyota Innova. And if you have not seen that video, press the I button here to know everything about that car. So now, talking about this one, this car gets character line on the bonnet, which are really premium and also gives a good look. Now talking about the side profile of this car, as you can see, it's a really long car. It gets a auto badging here, which is because this car is a auto gear, and you can see that this mirror got unfolded because I have the keys with me and it detected. Therefore, the car got unlocked automatically. These are the chromed alloy wheels, which are stunning in my opinion. And so the interesting thing is, with a touch of a button, the rear door gets open for you. This is really very good. And again, if you touch this button, the door gets closed. You get a request sensor in the driver side door, which is really handy. And moreover, this gets chrome insides on the top of the window line. You get to see character lines everywhere. Not everywhere, but a single character line, which proves that this car is really very muscular and also luxurious. So now talking about the rear profile of this car, since it's a limousine version, you get a limousine badging here, and this is the chrome garnish around the boot, which creates an elegant look with the Kia badging. It gets a high mount stop lamp, rear defogger with a rear wiper. Now these lights are in LED lights. Actually, these are like the front lights are. I forgot to mention them, but the front lights are also in LED, or if I have mentioned it also. And you get parking sensors and the rear camera. And now let's open the boot and have a look inside it. So as you can see, it's a power tailgate, very easy to access, and it is very deep inside, for which you can easily load your luggage. Hence, this is a really deep boot and spacious too. One of the most interesting feature of this car is these third row seats can be flattened up completely and get seated in this position for more luggage room. Let me show you how. So now you get a really deep space inside this boot, which is great. Now let me show you few things, like this is the compartment, which is I guess not openable, but here you get hooks everywhere. You get a power socket, 12-volt power socket at that side. And now this is the roof lamp. So now let's close the boot and get inside of this car. So here we are inside the Kia Carnival. It's pretty evident that it's a really luxurious inside of this car. These are all soft touch material used with a rear view mirror which is automatically dimmed. I mean, it gets the feature of that. These are the sun visors with LED lights for both passenger and the driver. And one interesting thing is, if you put it this side, you get an extender, which is not present in many of the cars in this segment. So this is a really thoughtful touch from Kia. This is one sunroof, and you get another one for the rear passengers. So now these are the controls for the sunroofs and the light controls for the cabin. This is the sunglass holder. Not really a sunglass holder, but it's a mirror. Which is, I don't know why it's given, but it's okay. And now, talking about the central console, this car gets a decent screen, which is of course touch screen, and it's really very great because you will not be able to see any kind of lag in it. And these are the automatic climate control AC. This is the gear shift, which is leather wrapped. I mean, the knob is leather wrapped. So now these are the cup holders. You get a perfume for this car. This is the compartment where you can keep your phone. If your phone gets a wireless charging facility, it will get charged here. This is the USB power socket for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This is the armrest which is openable. Here you get a sunglass holder, and it's pretty deep in, therefore it's very much usable, and it's a space to keep something if you want to. This is the controls for the car, that the electronic parking brake, auto hold, and the seats are ventilated for the driver, therefore the button is given here. It gets a eco mode driving, therefore you can activate it with this button. Now talking about the glove box, it gets dual compartment, one up and one down. You don't get anything cool glove box here, but these two are pretty usable. Talking about the steering wheel, this is really luxurious one. It gets leather wrapped with black stitching everywhere. It gets the control for the media system on the left side, and for the right side it gets the control for the cruise button. And these are the controls for traction control and other headlamps controls and light controls. This is the button by which you will be able to open the fuel lid, and you get the the bonnet release down here. So you can see it gets a hell lot of controls here. These are the mirror controls. These are the power window controls, which are auto up and auto down featured, which is really handy in this segment. You get a piano black finish element here, which is luxurious. You get a grab handle, and these are the lock levers for this car. You get pretty huge compartments to keep your stuff like bottle and an umbrella maybe. For it's pretty usable and it's available in both the front doors. These door pockets, and here you can keep your coins and all. This is great touch from Kia. So here I am in the back seats of Kia Carnival. You get a grab handle to get inside of this cabin. This is the second sunroof, and for these sunroofs you don't feel any kind of claustrophobicness inside this cabin. And I've got ample amount of leg room, ample amount of knee room, and headroom is enormous for me. You get rear controls for AC vents, and the cabin lights are decent. With this button you can actually open the sunroof, and these are the captain seat variant. You get individual armrest for every passenger, and it's really very comfortable inside this cabin. And you will get to see hooks to hang your luggages, including magazine holders. You get a smart air purifier, including cup holders for the rear passengers. You get a 12-volt USB power socket, including a socket with which you can actually charge your laptops. Now let's get inside the third row and have a look at the seats out there. Now I'm getting in the third row seats of this car. So here I am in the third row seats of Kia Carnival. It's a good place to be in, but again it's a bit tight for me also. Now this seat gets headrest for every passenger, and one thoughtful feature from Kia is they also have provided the sunshades for the sunshades for the third row passengers also. You get cup holders in both the sides, including a USB socket to charge your mobile phones. And for short trips, it is good. But in my opinion, again, these seats are comfortable for kids for longer trips. And that's all. You get a magazine holder again for the third row passengers. You get AC vents, and for this sunroof, you won't feel any claustrophobicness inside this cabin. You get grab handles and LED lights. Overall, it's a really pretty, luxurious cabin to be in. Now let's check out the engine of this car. This Carnival. Hit the like button if you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you have not seen the video for the Kia Seltos, then click the I button here, you will get to see that. So that was all about this car. Hope you like this. Signing off.